Hello viewers, welcome to our channel AppyChip. In this video, we are going to see how to install AVRDude on Mac. You can use this method to install AVRDude on Big Sur, Mojave, Catalina, etc. Let's see what is AVRDude. It is a utility to download, upload, manipulate the ROM and EEPROM contents of AVR microcontrollers using the in-system programming techniques. Features of AVRDude. It is command line driven user interface, interactive examination and modification of various memory regions in so-called terminal mode, known to run all major POSIX style operating systems, supports a wide range of programming hardware from cheap ISP plugs that connect AVR ISP interface. It supports Intel Hex, Motorola SRICOT. In terminal mode, the device memory areas can be examined and possibly modified. Let's see how it is installed on Mac. To install it, first you need to open terminal. To open terminal, press command space, search for terminal and hit enter. Doing so, a terminal will get open and you can use Homebrew to install AVRDude. First you need to make sure Homebrew is installed. You can install Homebrew using this command. You can get this command from the description section or from our official website macappstore.org or brewinstall.org. If Homebrew is already installed, you can skip this step. Once Homebrew is installed, you can install AVRDude using Brew. So it is installed now. Let's run the command brew install AVRDude to install AVRDude. You can get these commands or copy paste it from our website brewinstall.org. Depending on the application size and the bandwidth, it may take some time. So it is almost installed now. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.